Okay, we've sanded down our head. Now what we want to do, and I put some nails in here, 1-inch nails, just to make sure this doesn't come loose over time. So we've had to cut some of this off the bottom of the back so it would fit in here. So we have a good fit there. So what we're going to do next is we're going to drill for our stick. And I'm using an 1¼ inch stick, and we'll drill up in here between 2–2.5 inches. I've got my mark on here, my center mark that I marked earlier, so I wouldn't lose where my center was, so we know where to drill to. I'm using an 1¼ inch bit on this to take this out. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. We've gone up about 2.5 inches here. So what we'll do is we'll mark this so we tap it in correctly, and we're going to glue this in. Put some glue in the hole, and then we'll put some glue on our stick. Wipe off the excess. So we'll let this set up for a little bit. We'll let this set up a little bit, then we'll drill our hole for our string. Thanks for watching.